Imagine you've created a detailed field research map. Now you want to export your map layers. With story.mapog.com, we can easily export. Let's walk through how simple that is. Start by going to MAPOG and selecting your project. Next, go to the Style Layer section. Click on the 3 vertical dots beside the layer name and select Export Layer. Once you do that, a dialog box appears. Here, you can select which layers to export. Then, select your preferred export format. MAPOG supports over 15 formats including CSV, XLS, JPG, KML, and SHP. Next, click Download. Your file instantly saves to your device, ready to share, analyze, or use in another platform. You can also export using the Process Data tab. Go to Process Data, then go to Exporting Tool, select your desired layer, choose your file format, pick the CRS, Coordinate Reference System, and click Export. Once exported, your map data becomes a flexible, portable dataset you can use anywhere. For more tutorials, visit our YouTube channel, and for any queries email us at support@mapog.com.